Hi, Mr. Watt. Yeah, it's Mr. Sutcliffe here. How you doing? Good, good. I'm just checking that you're practicing your TikToks ready for when we go back to school. Yeah, good man. Good man. That's what I like to hear. I'm just going to ring the rest of them now, see if they're doing the same. Mr. O'Regan? Yeah, yeah, he will be doing. He's told me he's doing. Okay, all right. I'll speak to you soon. Stay safe. Bye now. Oh, hi there, year eight. Sorry about that. Quick message from me just to say I hope you're all keeping safe and well during this strange time. I'm happy to hear that so many of you are working really hard at the minute. I'm really proud of you, so please keep that up. It's a bit of a strange celebration assembly for us today, given the times, obviously. It's a virtual one, but don't worry, once we're back to a little bit of normality, you will receive your badges and your certificates like you normally would. We have our normal subject badges as always, and we've also got two limited edition badges which we have for this term. So the first one is our Passion for Learning badge, where a student has shown a particular passion for a certain subject or subjects. And we've also got our Working from Home badge, where students who have been working on paper or any of the online platforms have been nominated off their teachers. So there's a lot up for grabs this time around. One last message from me before we begin is just to keep well, stay safe, and I will see you all soon, hopefully. Bye now.